And here we are, the mighty Mekong, one of the world's great rivers. I just love cities, towns on big rivers like this. There's something special about them, and I've been to Nong Khai many times, and it's one of the first things I do whenever I arrive here is I hit the river, the mighty Mekong. It's a beautiful breeze this morning. It's sunny, but it's a little bit cooler than normal for this part of the world. And how are you going? Hope you're having a nice one. Welcome to Nong Khai. And yes, here we are, the White Inn Hotel, Nong Khai. I'm here for a few days. Let's go inside and check it out. Well, let's look inside this room, and you know what, folks? I've travelled a lot. I've stayed in hundreds, probably thousands of rooms actually, if I add up my corporate plus independent travel days. When you arrive at a hotel and they tell you that the hotel is fully booked, so we're going to give you a room upgrade, complimentary. Happy days, folks, when that happens. So, yes, early points to the White Inn here in Nong Khai. And yeah, I mean, you certainly got a dance floor here. Look at the space. Isn't it awesome? I've been checking out the TV, really good reception, Fox Sports, English movie channels, cable news, and look at that. Look at the size of this room. It's just awesome. And looking forward to getting some good shut-eye later on tonight here as well. So, yeah, wow. A right result it is. We love it. I haven't even finished unpacking, but already I have one of my favourite Hawaiian shirts here hanging up, and some more to be added later, and heaps of space, you know, extra storage up top, below. Yeah, just love the feel. It's got a nice Asia house feel to it, this room. It's understated, it's subtle, but you know, I really do like it. No balcony per se, but you can fully open up this window and let nature's elements come in. I don't intend to do that because the air conditioner is working very hard as we charge up the room, but you can certainly open this up, let the fresh air in if you like. And I don't mind those curtains. Are they maroon or burgundy? I believe they're burgundy, and very good they are indeed. Look at the size of that that mirror. That could be a bit scary if I had one too many sherbets tonight when I go for a bit of a drink and watch some sports in the bars near the hotel, as well as down on the waterfront, down on the Mueang. So that's looking good too. But just love the I love the way this looks. Look at that. It's like a tan, deep beige with two lights, good desks on both sides, and you know what? I love this in the morning too. You can sit there and, you know, put on your shoes, and that little bedside table at the foot of the bed is a bit of a winner in my opinion. But what about the bathroom? Did I hear you ask? Because some people say it's one of the most important rooms, if not the most important room, when you check into your accommodation. So let's check it out. So I've gone for a little bit of a brackish light effect. Why? Because the fan, which has a light, was a little bit noisy, but look at the space in this bathroom. Wow, talk about dance floor. Heaps of space here. Nice big shower head. A good height for someone like yours truly. And I like the tiles. I really do. Really do like the tiles. 2 towels. Always on a winner with 2 towels, even though I am flying solo on this trip. Good sized basin there. Plenty of bench space, nice deep basin, and the throne. It's looking good, the throne. Let's have a look at it. Did you notice the fold on the roll? I did. I like it. Now that's quite a macho bum gun, isn't it? Stainless steel. We like that. Nice, good height. Looks sturdy, and I'm sure it will be providing some comfort for those moments that are inevitably going to occur. So we do like the burgundy curtains, don't we? So yeah, massive space, big room, and a courtesy upgrade. So you got to be happy about that. What a fantastic looking room this is. And what about the firmness of the bed? Well, the bed sits up quite high, and it's a big, thick, solid mattress. It is well above average on the firmness, and I'm very much enjoying it. Yeah, lots of different channels. Thai, Chinese, English, some European ones as well. What about access and security? Well, it's basically a card entry. You've got the extra latch here, the activation switch there with your card as well, the extra double latch, extra layer of security, And there's the fuse box. Lovely. So folks, you've got some complimentary waters, as well as some complimentary sort of toiletries there, body wash, shampoo, some glasses, but you know, there's no extra sort of complimentaries, and I don't mind that because I'd rather not pay for it directly, rather just go out and organise that stuff myself, particularly on a short stay. So there we go, and we better go outside and just have a quick look at the surrounds before we finish this video review. So I'm on the 4th floor, and you've got an option there. You can take the elevator or the nice wide stairwell. I'm going for the elevator. So folks, massive car park. No problems with parking your car at the White Inn, and the street here, the White Inn, is on heaps of restaurants, heaps of bars along here as well. If you walk along this way yonder, just keep going straight, basically. Lots of bars. You hit the main street, you go across there, more bars, Thai Cadet Market, and then the Mekong River with all of the bars and restaurants there. So you can't complain about the location, but it's close enough without being right on top of all of the action. Nice little restaurant there, good corner restaurant there. I went for a massage, foot massage there earlier today. Awesome it was too. Right across the road from the White Inn. And here we are, folks, back in the room. I just told the ladies downstairs that I'll be giving them a 5-star review, and I will. I just get very excited when I get an upgrade at no additional cost, and this is a wonderful room, and looking forward to staying here. Thank you for dropping by Coffee Chill TV. Please enjoy the balance of your day. Cheers.